I
toy.
love
Pacquiao.
that cat right
Is that
now.
why his name is Pacquiao?
Yeah.
That's
Wrestle,
my best.
wrestle your lion or wrestle your bear thing. Wrestle. Go
Yeah,
wrestle.
but this is my toy.
He's holding on to it.
This is no, this is my toy.
I am in love with this kitten right now.
Hey, Mr. Man.
Oh dear.
And he's like, you used to be in love with me.
Oh no.
I don't want to ruin her shirt.
Danny, you have brought the ultimate toy.
His tail is puffed.
Are you video recording it?
Yes.
I love that.
Pacquiao. Hey,
Your hand in
He's
that.
around a lot of home.
I know.
Okay, maybe if I take.
I don't want to ruin her vest.
No, it's okay.
Should I take Pine?
Pacquiao.
Let me take.
Hey.
Let me
Yeah.
take Pine because maybe he's growling because he thinks there's.
Pine's gonna
competition.
try to take it.
See if you can maybe distract him with the other one.
Now let's look at. Let's watch Chris. Look at your roommate.
I really don't know how to get him off without him.
We'll just put on a pair of gloves and
I'm gonna have to get the big gloves because kitten teeth are extremely sharp. Let go. Let go. Pacquiao.
look at his eye.
We're gonna let go. We're gonna let go now.
not.
We're gonna let go now, okay? Hey,
I caught it. It's mine.
he
You must
does.
have rubbed it in some catnip or something, didn't you?
Oh no.
He's just got such an up and down personality. Like I never know what to like expect of him on a daily basis.
He was acting
Sure.
like he was 17.
He, I know.
Strong and-
And then he like comes out of his shell like this.
He's like
Fine now.
Now he has
Pacquiao.
both of them.
okay, so that plan failed.
No. Well, okay.
Pacquiao. Hey.
Can I hang on? Can you? I need a picture of this
No,
right now.
you're just waiting. I know you're
I,
being
I
tortured,
need
but
I
just
need a picture of you right now.
What's that, baby? You've been very calm.
Turn off the flash. Off. Oh, come on, stop moving.
These babies are like, what are you guys all doing? Why aren't you paying
One's
attention?
loose.
One down.
Back to where we started.
With the other one.
Ah.
You might be able to help.
Yo, you gotta see this, Jay. Pacquiao will not let go of this.
Or it's her like drawstring on her sweater.
He's locked on and growling. This has gone on for like 5 minutes now.
Look, I need to open this up for you guys.
Funniest thing I've ever seen.
Mine. I caught it. It's mine.
I'm looking at your roommate. I'm looking at your roommate.
Man, he really likes it.
What are you doing?
Come on.
You almost had it.
You pulling it?
Learning some new tricks.
Wanna see what's going on?
His hands are there just to catch it again.
Yeah, he doesn't want to let it go.
Wow.
Pac-Man.
That is amazing.
If you bite me.
We're gonna try. Nice.
That was
Pac-Man.
mine.
I
What's the
am
deal,
in
big
love
guy?
with that cat right now.
He's awesome.
I am in love with that cat right now. Pounder should have
Here.
a friend.
Pounder has a friend.
Here,
Pounder should
wrestle,
have
wrestle
another
your
friend.
lion. You wrestle your lion all the time.
It's like, I don't want the
It's
lion.
not the
I want
same.
that pom-pom.
It's
I-
not that same.
I went and got that lion like special for him this morning because he wrestles with it.
I love that cat right now.
He's awesome.
Jax's little cousin.
Now he's frustrated. I'm just gonna play with my tail. It's gonna.
I did. He started getting antsy.
to meow.
Look at your roommate looking at you. Like, what is your problem?
He's really cool.
It's so cute.
He's like the